Sorry about that. Okay. I've started the reporting,
All right.
waiting on the news. Should be a quick in and out. GDP is fairly a big deal. And we are setting the expectation for a long with a 4-hour cycle, 1 hour following it. It's a pretty big box. And it has to navigate right here. So you're in on news days, Santiago, you would wait till 9:30 to see if there's a pattern.
No, I mean, after the news come out, then you just look because it's gonna move. But usually at 9:30, you will get a reversal or continuation.
Okay.
That's why a lot of times when the news come out now
Mhm.
and it moves opposite from what the news is, and everybody's caught
Right,
trying to play the numbers, and then by 9:30 come, they reverse the whole market
right.
to the right direction that everybody was supposed to be going in the first place.
Now, basically a stop hunt.
Right.
Okay, 2.5 minutes. Doesn't seem to be much change because GDP, they're expecting 1.1. And previous was 1.1 also. Unemployment claims is 249 forecast. And the previous one was 242. And preliminary GDP price index is 4.0 and 4.0. So they're not looking for much of a change, but it doesn't mean that they're not going to spike. The market. Just watch the indicators when it spikes. This will, they'll probably spike it down. They'll straighten this out and then bring it back up and then it'll go straight, form a V formation.
See.
30 seconds.
Okay, there goes the news. And she's going long. No, she's not. She's going short.
Don't know where it's going. Play with your emotions.
Can you believe it? Look, what's gold doing? Look at gold. Jeez. Drop 50 pips in a nanosecond. Okay.
So what was the
Preliminary GDP was better than forecast.
so everything's good, 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 good.
Looks like H1 is ruling right now to go to the south side.
Okay.
It means the dollar is getting stronger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to take a short. Stop loss over here. Put my target to the next support. Let's see how this plays out. It's a 24 pip stop and about a 30 pip take profit. So it's a 1-to-1 trade. Yeah, so the 1 hour drop, but the 4 hour is still there. So you're doing a 1 hour, 15 minute sync trade on the news. We still hasn't hit the daily low, which is this one here. 39, 16 pips away. I'm surprised there wasn't much of a spike on this on the other side, on the higher side. I guess they got all the stops they needed in this move.
Yeah, they already had moved it up twice.
Yeah, because they took out this high, formed a new high. A lot of stops got taken out. Or maybe they were already positioned short. on this one.
Right. Yeah, today was supposed to be a continuation day,
Mhm.
short, so they may not need that much.
They just need to curve the H4 now. That should give a good move down. So technically speaking, John, this is the first continuation, and I should have waited for first change in direction. I should have waited for a continuation to take the trade. Okay, I jumped the gun here.
Yeah. Well, technically speaking, gold is after moving 100 and odd pips in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
And I missed the whole goddamn thing.
And gold was doing the same thing, right?
Yeah, well, gold was a crap.
Well, it dropped at the news, so it was rising. So this was a counterintuitive trade. The daily was falling, so overall direction was a short.
Yeah, yeah.
I got caught in this. Didn't play it properly. So, oh well. Stay focused on the pound dollar.
See, gold knows what's happening long before the pairs, the currency pairs,
Yeah.
in respect of the dollar.
Might turn out to be a good trade, huh?
Yeah.
It's got the first support here on the weekly. That's at 38, 8 pips away.
Okay, it came out in and half a pip I might take profit and I didn't see it, so I'm closing it.
Okay, so you only had a 7-8 pip profit.
I've taken 6 out of it now.
Okay.
The WMS2 was my target, and it came down to within a nano thing of it, pip of it. So
Yeah, it came within 5 pips.
okay, not to worry.
The 1 minute is cycling, which is why it's receding.
Yeah.
And it's probably a lot of profit taking going on. You're contributing to that.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Hey, that's trading, right? So
Yeah.
this is a 9 pip swing. Okay, there we go. New 1 minute bar. You may regret your exit there, John.
Sorry?
I said you may regret your exit there.
It'll be the first time I regretted something in trading. There's a shed load of support here on the daily time frame.
Yeah, there's support here. So you look at the daily. Yeah, right there, right where it is right now.
Yeah.
It breaks that. It should get to the target if it gets lower than this ball, which is at. Oh, it's at 44, so 4 pips away.
Right.
Which is where it bounced, I think. Yeah, that's right where it bounced.
Yeah.
And remember, all these pivots are based on, I mean, like this is a weekly, this is based on the weekly supports, previous supports. That's how it turns out, that's how the calculation works. So when I'm looking at the 5 minute, you know, have the daily, the next daily support is down here. So it's taking into account all of different turning points. Of course. Bouncing back again, stupid thing. It's doing its retracement and then give me a continuation. And this is a drawdown that Satya was talking about, that we didn't take a continuation trade. And now it's playing around with our entry.
Oh, excuse me. Oh.
So technically speaking, on the 1 minute, it's looking like an add-on, but the 13, the white is pointing up. So this is not an entry. We need the 13 to be moving down with the 5 on this one. And that should give us an entry, right there. That should be an entry. I'll take another short. Same target on it. Come on, take that ball out. It's 1 pip away from taking this ball out. Low on this was 43.3. No. This bounced back 3 pips. Ah. Give it another shot. On. The 5 minutes flattened out, so it's very strong. So this should be taking this out, but it's not. It's a new 1 minute bar. All right, I'm out with 4 pips. I'll wait for a better entry. This is a warning that the 15 minute is about to turn, the white line. Back into play.
US yen missed a big long move on that.
Okay, all the USD pairs, yen, CAD, and Swiss,
Yeah.
should have taken off. Okay.
US yen is trying to get to 140. It's been trying to get there for the last few days.
Yeah. Really having a tough time taking this ball out.
Right.
It's got room to go because
Yeah,
it's 44 pips away from his average daily range.
right.
So if it's gonna go down, it's at least gonna go to that daily range.
Yeah, I mean, that's 3 5 minute bars that it's failed to break that low.
Okay.
And 22.95 is the 618 extension
Okay.
of the daily swing.
Oh, the daily swing. Okay.
which is not too far, which it can make it there today.
Yeah. This way or this way?
Yeah, that's one right there. That's where the
Yeah. Wait a minute. It's sitting right there. It's a new 15-minute bar.
yeah, but the 1 hour is the 1 hour has already moved from top to where it's at now,
All right.
about 30 something pips.
Yeah. There we go.
So so it's not gonna go too far until the next hour. And the next hour can give you that next big
Push
push
down.
down.
Yeah.
There it goes now.
Really hesitating.
Oh, excuse me.
So the box that we drew, it broke that, hasn't come back and tested it, but it's just moving down now. So we'll take another short here.
All right.
And I took the short because it broke the low. And the 1 minute gave me an entry.
All right. I got out for 37 pips.
Holy
To the
cow, where did he
first
get in? Over here?
Yeah, when it first started,
Yeah.
I have 4 positions too. So
Oh,
that'll
yeah,
be-
4 position, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The only reason I got out is because the 1 hour has a big bar, and
Yeah.
you got 5 minutes to the next hour. So I just let everything set up for the
Right.
next trade.
Right. And the 1 minute is giving a change of direction anyway.
5 minutes trying to cycle up. So
Right.
it's probably setting up.
This is the 1618 extension on the daily. So let's see. Zero, okay. So Santiago's playing the true scalper here. Multiple trades, 30 pips out. Do you mind if I ask you what your lot size was?
Oh, my lot size 0.7
Okay,
because I have a smaller account right now.
I mean, 0.7 is almost 3 lots. So.
Right.
Sorry,
even with
0.7 is what?
almost 3 lots.
Oh, yes. He had how many trades? 4
4.
7s. Yeah.
Yeah.
0.7 times, let's say 40. That's $280, $300.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
And is that a prop account?
Yeah, this is a proper account. It's a $20,000 account.
Well done. Well done.
It's almost 2%. Okay, 30 seconds for a new 1 hour bar.
Right.
And the 1 minute has started to cycle back. 5 minutes just needs to settle down. Get a new thrust down, momentum should kick in. Of course, he'll do his normal go up first and then come down kind of thing.
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah. Well, it usually does. At the start of a new bar, 1 hour.
Oh, I know. It could just as easily turn around and go straight back up. Who knows?
Yeah, good.
Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows.
The good thing is back in trend. Everything's in back in trend, even the 4 hours turnover. So this was, remember, going up, but it's turned over now. So this is basically a sell trade at this point. And this bar is turning red, which means it's out of the peak and now it's moving. This is a 4 hour peak. One hour and 4 hour. So they both peaked and then now they're going down. Did you get that, John?
Yeah.
So here the 4 hour peak started, but the 1 hour peak was going to the upside.
Yeah.
You see the blue lines in between?
Yeah.
Then price started to go down and the 1 hour peak started. It was a 1 ball retrace and then they started to move down.
Yeah.
So Santiago got in somewhere over here is what he said.
Okay. Well, I'm out of the pound US right now with 5 pips.
Okay.
And I also took a long on the US yen. And that has got it's got room to go, but
Yeah,
definitely.
US yen, I mean, this was a news bar right here.
I missed most of it, but I've got 140 as a target and 139.95 as my target.
Okay, so you got another 30.
Well, like if the first sign of this coming down and I'm gone.
But you're not playing the system at that point, right? You're playing.
No. I am playing the monetary game, right?
Yeah.
As in, I started the account a few days ago with 80 grand, and my target was to get to 85 by tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm at 86 right now.
Okay.
So I'm ahead of my target. I don't want to blow it.
Right.
It's all about account management, as you know.
Yeah.
Potentially there's another 18, 20 pips to the upside here, but I just don't like the way it's getting there. It's
So
struggling.
you should be at break even if you don't want to lose.
I am at break even.
Okay. Then you just let it ride.
Sorry?
You just let it ride.
I'm gonna close it. I want to protect my account.
Okay.
I've got 86,000, just north of 86,000. So
Right.
I'm out. And I'm happy with that. I'm ahead of target, which means I don't have to trade tomorrow.
Right. Is there any news tomorrow? Let's see. Friday. Yep, there's inflation news tomorrow.
Yeah. Well,
The only news is the dollar news. There's some pound news, but main thing is the dollar news. So if you're trading the pound dollar or any dollar currency, you gotta wait till 8:30 a.m. Eastern again.
I came within just 700 euros of my max daily loss, and I didn't realize it.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Not great.
Yeah, this
Did
is
not
not a good
realize
bar.
that. Didn't even realize it. Had no idea.
Yeah,
And this is where I get caught out. I'm taking too many trades at the same time.
right.
Now back to taking one trade at a time and be happy with it, or trade one pair at a time, be happy with that.
Right. So
That's
I would
what
have been out of this with when I was up 10 pips, but just to treat the system the way it is, I'm leaving it alone.
Right. Well, it's bouncing off a trend line under 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably setting up for the 8:30.
Like,
Yeah.
So this is the pennant it's playing in right now.
Yeah.
It may go all the way to the top, so I should put my stop outside.
I mean, just look at gold. It's just after taking back 80 odd pips in 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, gold.
I mean, this thing is just wild. That was some move on gold. That was a brilliant trade. 200 pips.
Yeah, I'll leave this alone for, so let's
And-
look at
and-
gold.
It broke the trend on the 4 hour, it broke the support.
Again, it's a 4-hour peak that we are playing with.
Yeah.
So the trade hasn't actually set up
Oh,
to go short.
okay, all right.
Now, within the peak, you had an entry here, right on this bar. It would have been good to catch it at the low here, and then that would have been an 136 pip trade.
Yeah.
So if you had a pending order here, you probably would have caught that. But with the news, you just don't know. I mean, you can hedge it by putting a buy order here and a sell order here, but if they
Right.
spike it both ways, then you're screwed.
Yeah.
So the USDN, the good thing you got out.
Yeah. No,
The-
my account is protected and I didn't realize it was after coming so close to my maximum daily.
Yeah.
And there's a lesson in that yet again, one that I just don't ever seem to learn.
If you're trading too many currencies, that's what happens.
Yeah. You see, it's the drawdowns. The drawdowns is what it's not what you actually take as a loss. It's your drawdown.
Yes,
They count that as the daily maximum loss, right?
Correct.
Even though it's not a loss unless you take it.
Yeah.
But in the prop firm, they counted that, so
correct.
that should be maximum daily. What is it? Hold on till I see how it's set up again.
Yeah, it is that. I mean, so maximum daily it went against you.
No, I understand that, but they're calling it a maximum daily loss, right?
Yes,
But it's actually a maximum daily drawdown.
correct.
And that's what it should be called.
Yes,
All right. Okay. So in my mind now, I understand better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because my maximum daily loss on this is $4,000
okay.
and I did 3,328.
Oh,
Okay. Underneath that, it says maximum loss
all right.
is 8,000, right?
Okay,
And my maximum loss has been 1,273.
right.
Which is where I was getting totally confused. And now
Right.
I realize where I'm getting confused and mixed up and get
Yeah,
caught
the
out.
max
Right.
total account loss is your 8,000.
Correct. But your max daily loss is not your max daily loss. It's your max daily drawdown,
Correct.
including and your losses together, right?
Correct.
Okay. All right. Okay. All this fucking shite.
That's where I get lost too. I mean,
Yeah, I
but
don't hate-
I gotta wrap my head around it. My head. I think I'm going for a brain scan, see if I've still got a brain. Then we work out if I can do anything with it.
so your max daily allowed is 5%? Yeah, it's mine
Yeah.
too. It's $10,000. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. No, that's on Fitmo.
yes. Mhm. I mean, it's across the board, right? Even in MFS, if it's a 5%.
All right.
And our target is 8%. No, it's also 5%. So you have to make 10,000 to pass the evaluation. Well, I mean, for $200,000 account. So you already passed your evaluation phase 1 kind of thing, right?
I have in terms of profit, right?
Correct. But not
Profit
about
target.
the
The
risk.
profit target was 4,000. I've
Yes,
taken 6,223.
Correct.
Okay, so now. But I haven't passed the minimum 5 days yet.
correct. But you haven't exceeded your max loss either.
No. No.
All right, so your account is in good standing.
Yeah, so when I go to tomorrow, then I'll have another maximum daily loss of 4 grand for that day.
Correct.
Yeah, all right. Now I get it. The maximum daily loss is actually the maximum daily loss plus the drawdown.
Well, it's the maximum drawdown.
Yeah, maximum drawdown, but that's on a daily basis. But
Correct.
the maximum loss overall is 8
Yes.
grand.
Correct.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
Well, you violate either one and your account is
Yeah, you're
dead.
finished. Yeah. You've just thrown your money down the drain if you do that.
Right.
Now, in the meantime, I'm looking at the euro yen and the pound yen, and I lost 20 pips on each one of those trades that I went short on, right?
Right.
But that was with one lot, do you remember?
Yeah.
So I don't know. This
That's
yen,
why we trade multiple currencies. You got to be very careful.
yeah. The yen seems to be like, has this been recorded?
Yo-yo. So yo-yo.
Yeah. I have another name for it.
Play ping pong with it.
Yeah. And that the US yen won't give up until it gets to 140 or even higher.
Yeah, it should be going higher now.
Yeah, it is trying.
Yeah, it's
Very true.
recovering.
Yeah. All right.
So it's 10 minutes into the new hour and they've decided to resume.
Yeah. Well, this is what happens.
Right.
But it's going to be happening without me, and that's for sure.
Yeah. So they went higher than the previous bar on the 15-minute and took out a bunch of people.
Yeah. They're blitzing it with stops at the moment.
Right.
They're just on fire, so they are.
But overall, they're setting up to go short. It's just they're taking out the stop losses that are close.
Yeah. Excuse me. Gentlemen, I can't keep awake. I'm going to go and grab some shut-eye.
Okay.
I'll talk to you in the morning. Santiago,
right.
next week.
right.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, no problem. You take it easy.
Take it easy, John.
The temperature here at the moment is 21 degrees Celsius.
It's nice and cool.
That's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, I think.
Yeah.
What temperature is it where you guys are?
It'll be 71 higher today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 84 right now.
Oh, you can keep that. Thanks. Bye. See you, man.
All right.
All right. Take it easy.
God bless. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot for your help,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Okay. This thing that I want to give up. I don't get it. I mean, the dollar is the strongest currency, and look at what's doing.
Yeah, it's all a time thing.
But it came back and tested the box.
Right. Well, you still have the equity opening in what,
Yeah.
18 minutes?
17 minutes. Yep.
17 minutes. So you can go all the way back up and take all those stops out and then reverse again short.
Yeah.
Just don't know.
I mean, till then it's going to play games. May just come back in the box
Right.
and then decide to go short, but it may complete this 2-wall. Okay. So patience is the name of the game. This 13 needs to move down, back below the 50, get back into trend. We'll pull the 5 down, straighten out the 15, and that should be the push, but God knows when that's going to happen. And of course, we are in the consolidation area. So Did you trade this morning?
No, I didn't get to trade it.
Okay. So you stayed out of all this crap, all the Euro session crap.
Yeah, well, I looked back at the gold, had a nice trade up.
Yeah, it did.
I missed that.
That was a counter trend trade. Counter trend to the daily, that is. It was a 4 hour, 1 hour sync.
Right.
The 4 hours trying to come down again. So that's why all these are playing games in different directions. It's with any dollar pair, what did the Aussie dollar do? Nothing. Nothing. And these two are the weakest currencies, is the Kiwi and the Aussie. They have done absolutely nothing. I was thinking the Aussie yen would go down, but no. Being very stubborn.
Well, it's probably because it don't move down already. How many days it moved down?
Aussie
2
yen?
days. Yeah.
One, two, this is the third day. It's still going strong. So weekly is going up. So that's what's causing this hesitation right here.
Right.
It's a daily 4 hour trade and it should go down at least to the support level. Well, shoulda, woulda, coulda can be dangerous. Just don't like the way this moves, you know.
Yeah, real choppy.
Yeah,
Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Made
Yeah.
it all the way to the bottom, but back and forth so much.
right.
Yeah, you have to play that on
Man,
that's
you're
a daily
sleepy
chart.
too.
That's a
You're
daily
putting me
chart.
to sleep with all that yawning.
Sorry. uh, yeah.
I mean, this week has been really well. This is smooth, but I mean, look, I don't know. We haven't gotten a steady move. Look at this. It's been a sideways week. Pound NZD is probably the only one. Even that was sideways, and then recovered everything. Pound dollar is just playing games. Short term is really, even the 15-minute is now going up. Yeah. Maybe I should not even be in this trade. If I was doing a proper count, I would have been long gone. Even the 1 hour is peaking. That is not a good sign.
Yeah. Still wait and see. Because the 4 hours still trying to cycle down, so
Yeah. That's a new 4 hour bar. So yeah, 4 hours. Look at 4 hours. It's just been back and forth, back and forth. Really a consolidation box.
All right.
It's a mess. All the trades are off.
Any more news coming out? Or
No.
that's it?
Well, 10 a.m. is pending home sales. That's not going to really cause anything. And then that's it. It's just the inflation tomorrow.
Oh, you got out of one of your positions.
Yeah. Minimize my losses, can always get back in, go short.
Right.
Unemployment claims was better than expected. That's why. That's why this surged down. Price index was better than expected. Okay. So why is it losing steam? On my strength meter is still the strongest currency. Doesn't make any sense at all.
I mean, this is divergence. What's it called? Reverse. What you call that?
This is divergence. Lower low.
No, what
And-
I'm saying, the strength meter is showing one thing, but the price is doing something
Oh
different.
yeah. It's I mean, it's basically a divergence. But the strength meter I have is on a daily basis.
Oh, okay, yeah. Not gonna see exactly what's happening now.
No, but the
It's
pound just
it's
got
probably,
strong.
yeah, it's probably weak now.
Yeah,
I
so
mean, for the short side.
I'm out. And pound and dollar now are equal strength.
Yeah.
But even the euro dollar is moving up and the euro is weak. Not make any sense at all.
Yeah, you just gotta wait and see to how they set up.
Yeah,
What's gonna be the next move? Because technically you have the high of the day, which is that 3 ball,
Mhm.
and you're on a 15-minute chart, so you already have one push down, then a pull back, no, and then
Yeah,
the
two
second push
pushes.
down. Yeah. So hopefully you get a third push.
Yeah.
It may not go anywhere, but or it can break that low and keep going.
Yeah. I mean, when it was having a hard time trying to break this low, that was a hint. Although it was just blasted through.
All right.
For 6 minutes for the equity opened.
wonder what gold is doing.
Same thing. Price.
King olive.
I mean, gold's got a big box that it has to overcome. And this spike really took all the money out of the market. And the 4 hour is still not turning over. So this is kind of a sideways market right now. All right, 15-minute, 5 and 13 following up. So this has got strength to the upside. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Another minute for the equity market to open. All the dollar seems to be moving down, but we know it's not going anywhere. Dollar is really waiting on something. No idea what it's waiting on.
Anybody speaking? Or
No, no speeches.
natural gas storage?
Gas storage won't have an effect on the dollar.
Pending home sales.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's there. Now the pound has the MPC member Haskell speaking, so maybe that's what's holding up the pound, but it shouldn't hold up the dollar. Very little news today, as well as tomorrow. Tomorrow is 8:30 is a core PC price index, that's inflation, and then revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment at 10. I'll probably wait till 10 to move the market. So next week, GDP, FOMC. Should be FOMC next week, right?
I believe so.
Not FOMC, NFP. Friday. Non-farm employment change, yep, NFP next week. Everybody. You'll have one bad week after another. Next week is also the debt thingy on Thursday.
Oh yeah. Don't let them default. Buck wild.
Oh, they're already crashing the market if it is going to default. Dow fell quite a bit yesterday, didn't it? Okay, so this has started to move down, but the 15-minute is still
Right.
being stubborn. And the equity market has opened. Five-minute is getting back into trend. 1 minute is not in trend yet. The 1 hour speaking, or trying to peak. 20 seconds for a new 5-minute bar. What is that? It's almost like the euro dollar would be a better trade. Yeah. All right, we'll go short euro dollar. Could have waited for 1 minute cycle. But
Yeah, pound dollar's finally moving. So
it is. Just when I took my eyes off.
yeah,
Let's go back to the pound. Ah. All right. Um, What was the target of this?
target is
point.
the average daily range, which is 37 pips away from now.
So 1.2302. Well, let's make it 5. Give it a little bit of leeway.
Come on, don't do that. It's gotta break that Asian session low if it's gonna go anywhere.
You mean this low?
Yeah, the Asian low.
That would be this one.
Yeah.
31. It's only 4 pips away. It's breaking the pennant for sure.
Right.
Let's see where it goes.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go about
Oh God, come on. New 5-minute bar and just start. I guess it has to go test the bottom. Doesn't have to, but probably try to do that. I mean, the Aussie dollar should have gone too. Yep. And the New Zealand dollar. Yep. Okay. Thought you were there, cleaned out all the stops by now. Jesus Christ. Come on.
It's probably gonna wait for the next 15-minute bar
Yeah,
to go.
3 minutes for that one.
But hopefully this 15-minute bar finishes strong.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For
about
it
3
to
more.
do that, it needs to finish somewhere over here or lower.
Right.
Because then I'll take another position. I mean, it's only a pip or two away from the low, from this low. 33.13, 31.5. 2 pips away. Come on, you're only a pip away. And the 1 minute is giving another entry. All right. Taking another. Jesus, platform. Finally. They delay the orders, but they can get the best price. This was a 1618. $290. All right, no problem. $15 seconds for a new bar. Sorry, taking the Asian low out. Do you take a position too?
Yeah.
All right. Of course, has to go the other way first. I mean, technically speaking, this is all set up to go a long way. And the 4 hours cycling down 1 hour, if it should get strong, and the 15-minute and this should recycle for re-entries. But This should go at least here, which is a 1618. Or you take the true swing. Leads to the 118, which is 1.2266 or 1.2, so 1.225, it should get there at least. Why am I in the negative now? Bounced.
57. Yeah, deeper retracement,
Ah,
or it could be reversing.
Jesus Christ. And pound and euro got strong. What the heck happened?
Probably waiting for the news to come out.
What news?
The home sale. or
Pending home
whatever.
sales? Okay. It's supposed to be better than expected anyway. All right, that's back in the positive. Euro dollar needs to follow suit. What do you think? Look at that. 1 minute playing games. Ah, Hey, come on, pound. Going the right way. Still playing with the lows here. This point, basically, I'm playing the 1 hour swing. Everything else in between is kind of irrelevant, which means I'm taking a bigger risk on the trade. I'll drive the stupid thing up, aren't they? Before they drive it down.
Yeah, it's a possibility.
Six minutes, 6.5 minutes to the news. I mean, it's not even a big deal, and they're treating it like it's a big deal.
What, the housing?
Yeah. I mean, I guess you can say, I mean, the forecast is 1%. The previous month was minus 5.2%. If it meets the forecast, it should shoot it down because the dollar will get strong. But right now, they're treating it like, driving people out of the market. Okay. About to get a new 5-minute bar. So, yeah. Good boy, good boy. Keep going. Or they're really good at milking everything, aren't they?
Yeah, that's how they
Oh, they operate. Yep. Okay. It's made a new low. So this 15 minutes is going to be an inverted hammer. Seconds to the news. Is how the card goes to around number 25. All right, there's the news. Come on, don't say pending, give it to me. Uh-oh, it's worse than expected. All right, I'm out. Not taking any chances. It's 0% versus 1% expected. Basically broke even for the day. Coming down again.
It seems like they don't know what they want to do.
Yeah,
Should we take it up or should we take it down?
well, they're
Eh,
still testing the bottom of the pennant. And the 5 minute is cycling up, so is the 15, and so is the 1 hour. This is why we got a white line in here. It looks like the 4 hour wants to cycle up. Or is giving a warning. That's the 4 hour, right? No, that's the 1 hour. 4 hours down, but the 1 hour is, so this is a kind of conflict. Even the euro dollar is backing off. Looks like a sideways market to me. What do you think?
I think they're gonna try to reverse this.
Go up like this? Or
Yeah,
do that, yeah, because the 1 hour is starting to cycle, right?
yeah. Just need the 5 minute 13.32 to get above the 80. I mean, get above the 20 at least.
Yeah.
Start pushing in that direction.
That's 15 pips right there.
Mhm.
Look at that. There you go. And the 60 is moving with it.
Oh yeah.
This is a 4 hour peak formation. The cyan. I think that's the 211. Yeah, 221. So that's an early warning sign. So on these things, do you wait for it to come out of the peak before you take a trade, or you just wait for your stochastic formations?
What do you mean come out of the peak?
So this is a 4 hour peak, right? So that's 16 bars. So if I look at it, the 1 hour, this is the 4 hour peaking, right?
Mhm.
So do you wait till all 4 bars are complete and it gives you a kind of a blue bar to go long?
No, no. As long as the 15 and 1 hour is cycling in that direction, then a good your first entry could be on a 1 minute change in direction. As long as the 5 minute is cycling in that direction.
Okay, so now the
Then you
5
have to
minutes giving a change of direction, right?
right. So you should be looking
For
trying to look
1
for
minute cycle.
right.
It's not going to go too far because the 4 hour and the daily are pointing down. Slow moving this, slow, slow, slow. So 1 minute seems to be ready to cycle.
Right. And you're gonna get a new 5 minute. So that should bring the 13 across the 50. Like you might have to wait till the 5 minute, give a new cycle.
Mhm. That's because the 1 hour hasn't totally come out yet.
Right. And the 15 too, still.
15 is out. 1 minute has to recycle. So it's kind of sideways right now. If it takes this ball out, it's going to go. Looks like it's getting ready.
Yeah, just hit the top of the channel.
Mhm.
So if it breaks out of that to the top, it should go
Yeah,
at least to today's high.
it's trying desperately to go long.
Maybe they're starting to evaluate the last news and like maybe it's not that important compared to the other two.
Yeah. almost like it's going to complete this one ball and then go, which will bring the 5 down.
All right.
So you're going to go in early tonight to work?
No, my regular schedule.
Okay. Just trying to figure out if you're going to meet or not.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Okay. Question is, will you be awake?
Yeah, that's the that's the real question. You need to be asking. Will I be able to get up?
Yeah.
It depends on what time I go back to sleep.
I mean, this is really not doing anything right now. You can call it in and go to sleep. You want to call it? Call it?
No, but I'm gonna give it about another 15 minutes, see what it does.
Okay.
Looks like it's trying to head back down.
Yeah, I mean, it's trying to do a 5-minute cycle, right? So. I mean, we can see the overall strength is to the downside, weekly, daily, 4-hour.
Right.
So anything it pops to the upside is going to be short-lived. So the daily bar must be really looking funky. It's sitting at that support. Yeah, the 1 minute has come down into trend.
Yep.
5 minute is trying to get into trend. That means the 15 should be turning down.
Not quite yet.
Not
Still-
quite yet. Yeah.
Still pushing up.
It's consolidating kind of thing, right? So. I'm not surprised that the housing pushed it up that much.
Yeah, even gold is shut down.
Putting down
No, it's
sideways. Yeah.
sideways right now. Even though the 15 is cycling up, getting about to get ready to give a change in direction to the upside.
Yeah, they just don't know what to do with the market right now. They're all waiting for the inflation data tomorrow.
All right, what you gonna do? Are you gonna cycle up or what?
Back in the upward direction.
All right, see what it does. Like it's scared to go.
Mhm. You would think that you would have some oomph in this market, but everything is black.
Yeah. Okay. If this doesn't push up, I'm calling it quits.
Okay. I got 2.5 minutes.
2.5 minutes for this thing to push. If not, I'm not even gonna think about it.
Might as well wait till tomorrow.
All right.
You want to be there in the US session or no?
Am I gonna be here in the US? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
that's trying to get used to trading the US session. So
Okay. Oh, well, you don't trade Fridays. That's what I was asking.
oh yeah. I'm gonna be looking at it.
Okay.
Even if I don't take a trade.
I'll be here.
Because something will shut up. So there'll be a reversal somewhere.
Well, it's inflation data, so it's going to have a spike at least.
Right.
But I don't think anything's going to move before 10 tomorrow. Because 8:30 is the inflation and then 10 o'clock is the sentiment, consumer sentiment.
Right.
So it might spike at 8:30 up and down, but really the real move is going to come after 10 or 9 o'clock your time.
Right.
That's when I plan to be at my desk rather than live through the 8:30 spikes.
Okay. See what you gonna do.
Last minute.
I mean, 15-minute look like everything is trying to push together, all three
Mhm.
stochastics. So that's why I'm eager to see if this thing is gonna really move, if it gives a change in direction on the 15.
Right, new 5-minute bar. It's pushing up. Now it's pushing down.
Yeah, buddy. It's not.
Give it 5 more minutes.
Let the 15-minute kick in.
Well, it'll be a new 15-minute bar at that point.
Yeah.
But no, 15-minute hasn't kicked in yet. Right. So,
Yeah.
and 15-minute is peaking, kind of, right? Oh, this is the 1 hour. No, it's 15-minute peaking, the blue lines in between. Oh,
Let's see, whatever the direction it may push
yeah.
before this 15-minute is over. That might be the direction it's gonna continue to go.
All right. One minute turning down again. It's wasn't a strong push on the 1 minute anyway. Look at the separation between the 1 and the 13. Now it's a strong push down.
Yeah.
Even the 5-minute wasn't a strong push. Look at that.
It's not even following through.
No.
Well, the 5-minute is trying to give a change in direction, so let's see what happens. Yeah, they're going back and forth on it.
I'll decide what to do. Now the 15-minute is cycling down. Or warning that it's trying to cycle. Another 2 minutes will be a new 15-minute bar. I think it's turning down again. It's going to be getting back into trend all over the place. The other 1 minute. 5-minute is totally undecided.
We got a 1 ball, so
Mhm.
let's see what maybe you get a 1, 2, 3 setup. Who knows?
Could be. But for that, you'll have to wait another 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes morning cycle up, now it's cycling down, the peak up, peak down. So it's totally undecided. Just like here.
All right, let's see what's gonna happen with this 15-minute.
It should be coming down like that. Didn't have any effect on the 15, but the 13 started to turn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The line separated, so
All right, I'm going to call it a day.
all
All
right.
right.
All right,
Talk to you
man.
tomorrow.
All right, take it easy, man.
You too. Bye.
Bye.